Hello, guys. I am back with the Earn Network. We are your ultimate destination for crypto and NFT investing. I am Kate, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Remember, we are the leading DeFi marketplace supported by awesome companies such as LD Capital, Kronos Labs, DFG, Mars DAO, and we've partnered with many prominent projects like Dipias to offer staking pools for their communities. We are supporting over 80 assets so far, and we have over 6,000 active stakers. So there's a lot of you guys with us. You have collected over 900,000 in rewards so far, and thanks to you guys, our platform has reached a remarkable 4.2 million in staked value. The asset I want to introduce to you today on which you can earn yield is Scooter. Let's scroll down and find the pool. We got it. Click view. By staking the scooter token, you can earn multiple rewards across different chains, as always. The first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet. All right, on the left side in the performance section, you can see your available balance. If you scroll down, as always, we have rewards. For staking this token, expand each reward to see what we have prepared for you, what the eligibility requirements are, the start date, when you can receive the reward until, the staking type, all this neat stuff. Okay, scroll back up. And on the right side, we can choose the amount of tokens we want to stake and also the lockup period. Remember, the longer the lockup period, the more rewards you can claim at the end. If you do need further clarifications on anything, hover over these little cute question marks, guys, and we have everything nicely explained for you. Yeah? Cool. All right. Let's stake. We have available over 30,000 scooter tokens. Let's stake maybe. How many should we do? Let's stake 5,000. Okay. You can also click the max button if you want to stake all of your available tokens that you have in your wallet. All right. The lockup period, please choose between the preset dates over here by clicking on these buttons, or you can manually move over this slider and choose the exact amount of days you want to lock up your tokens for. Let's do maybe 80 days. And down in the rewards summary, you can see everything changing and displaying nicely for you so you're aware of what rewards you can earn at the end of your lockup period. Okay, all that's left to do is click stake and confirm the transaction in our MetaMask wallet. And that's it. Your tokens are now safely earning on the smart contract. We can go back to the performance section and see that the staked amount has changed. We are now staking 5,000 scooter tokens. We have a redemption date below. Scroll back down and you see all of the rewards for this one have changed to earnings. So you are now earning on your staked tokens. You can, of course, extend the staking time, or you can stake more tokens if you wish. If you wanted to unstake your tokens, you can do that right here. Click the unstake button and follow our guide in our white paper on the website or linked in the description to this video. But I do not suggest you do that. Keep your tokens staked and earning for you. Okay, the claim button also over here that will be available for you once the lockup period is over, of course. And to head on over to the dashboard, we can click the top green button over here on the right side and my investments. This takes you to all of your staked tokens, NFTs, what have you. All right, you can check all those out right here. Click view and you are back in the staking pool. Now, if we go back to the main page and scroll, we can see all of our awesome tokens, coins, NFT staking. We have a lot of stuff prepared for you guys that you can check out, earn rewards tailored to you. And don't hesitate, don't wait. Head on over to our website and check out the best crypto gem for you to start earning with the Earn Network. If you would like some extra help, please click this little button over here. You can contact our customer support. We reply very quickly and will help you in whatever matter you have. Or if you just want to drop us a comment, that is also welcome. And we look forward to hearing from you. Okay, guys, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoy staking your scooter tokens and join us, or me actually, join me in the next video. Have a good one.